What's up here? Machu Picchu here at the
Picchu
Jump
guys.
Strip Club. Basically what we're working with here is some alligator back scorpion tail. This is an engineered idea.
Jerry Riggs. It's
Picchu,
Jerry rigged.
by Machu Picchu. Works pretty good.
Mint.
We're gonna smoke that later.
Smoke some a little bit now. Some for you, some for me.
Done. Stop the clock.
Eggs.
So pretty much we've done this in 15 minutes. We've basically only took us 8 minutes to get all that done and not a couple days.
We're at 5 pounds a minute right now. Drilled her hole, slide her through. Slide her through. Degrees out.
Look at
It's
that.
not hot.
Put that on blue tube.
We
Put that on red tube. Stuff your hole on red tube.
The tweakers don't have this tech.
Tweaker Tech. This is straight out of Hamilton, Ontario. Over and out.
Alright, nice.